If you're thinking about making the move to the Waxhaw, North Carolina area, in particular the Millbridge community, make sure you stick around. We're going to take a tour of our newest property in the community so you can get a feel for what it looks like. So stick around because we're going to jump right in. Thanks for joining us on this bright day. If you have any questions, make sure to reach out. I'm Steve Jarrell with the Longleaf Group here in the South Charlotte area. Once again, we love working with people just like you every single day, so make sure to reach out. Until next time, we'll see you then.